Hi, my name is Dr. Andrea Bishop, and I am the coordinator for the Prep Academy as well as one of the instructors. The Prep Academy is a fantastic program that we offer to students that allows them to earn their admission to the University of Memphis while also earning 12 credit hours that will be posted to their transcript after completing Prep Academy. So right now we're on the home page for the online course for Unit 1 of Prep Academy. And the first unit is about academic success. So everything that you would do in Unit 1 is helping to prepare you to be successful academically at the college level. So students who are in this unit, they click on course materials and it takes them to this table of contents. And the way that you work through the Prep Academy is working in order by clicking on each assignment and either watching a video or doing an assignment, like this is an introductory letter writing assignment, or taking a short quiz. So that's how you work through the assignments in the Prep Academy. The goals that we have for Prep Academy are to help you become more confident in your writing and in your reading skills so that you feel like you are going to be successful when you enter your college classes. Writing is a big part of Prep Academy, but the sort of writing that we do is very low stakes. You are more than welcome and often encouraged to revise your work until everyone is happy with it. You're given one-on-one coaching on how to approach each writing lesson. The second unit of the Prep Academy is about career planning and development. And in that second unit, we focus more heavily on things like your resume, on the importance of a cover letter, on how to interview properly, on how to follow up after an interview. Everything that we do in that second unit is to help you become more prepared to step into the next role that you might want to apply for with your career. And in the third unit, what we focus on is personal success. So we've got some strategies for being more confident, for being emotionally and intellectually aware of how you respond to things. But the priority in that third unit is making sure that you are ready to walk into any college class on campus with confidence in your writing ability. So that is what we do in prep. It is tailored to you. It is self-paced. If you can work 4 hours a week in Prep Academy, fantastic. If you can work just one, that's fine too. We have students complete each unit. We've had students complete a unit in a week, and we've had students take 6 or 7 months to complete a unit. So it really is up to you and how much you can put into it based on your family life and your work schedule and that sort of thing. We have a wonderful team of instructors in Prep Academy who truly care about your success. And we just want you to become the better version of who you are and more confident in your academic skills. I'm Dr. Bishop, and I hope that helps. And if you have any questions, let us know.